Hello, my YouTube family. This na your girl Diamonique, the girl where they bring una all the sweetest and the best gist. My people, I miss una so much. My morning period will be over. They bury my aunts them on Saturday. My people, it was not easy for me. I went under a lot of heartbreak, torments, and so on, emotional trauma. Be easy. But we thank God say with all of this, we get to be strong, for move on for life. Yes, my people, na your girl. And with another edition of Make We Analyze the Matter. We never yet die for this our company, this our group, our family never yet die. I still dey strong and healthy, my people, and my voice still dey kakaraka. Yes, my people, I become with a better energy. My way no like make it shit down for down. My way like make stand for up clap for me. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. Everything we get for house today, I just want to talk about some two particular things them where I don't see them for social media, where they think touch me these 2 weeks, and although I not be for come for my channel for can't talk that yesterday, but today this morning I get for light my camera talk about them because they think pitch me for my trauma people. Yes. Yes. I see some write-up for daily matchup in a post where it repost nothing where Dr. Menjo write It talks say Dr. Menjo say Tonto Dike and church him matter. Say and Tonto Dike don't leave churches so, or church don't leave Tonto Dike because I know say na church leave Tonto Dike go marry a friend. Now we Tonto Dike gets another man, and the man the post like say he be the bikini papa. And Tonto Dike be selfish, and Tonto Dike the proof a point. Now the height of selfishness is women blah 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 and so on. See, my mommy didn't touch my belly, it touched my heart, my people. Time where Church Hill he leave Tonto Dike for year, marry Tonto Dike his sister, one a friend, one a best friend. Dr. Menjo no see apostle, I no see a right top where you as a good community person, as a good leader, and an example to the youth them, or example to the people them, our society, give a write-up about Church Hill, a particular attitude of getting married to a wife, best friend. Write-up. Condemn Church Hill. Condemn the part say he leave Tonto Dike under depression, under emotional trauma. I don't see you because I don't go for your page. I don't go find out. Check them if that time where they be the talk them for Tonto Dike. You are lying. Blah blah blah. You be give some write up say what Church Hill don't do. And bad thing, give them. Now where Tonto Dike don't find happiness, my people now hear this story so. Blah blah blah. She just proving a point. She just doing this. I say, Dr. Menjo, I disappoint for you this triple. I disappoint for you this trip because this one so now the level of wickedness is. For you for appreciate this girl say it don't pass through. You know what it mean for pass through depression. You tell yourself, say, I can make it. I can rise up. I can do it in this life. You rise back. You know what Tonto Dike go through. Within that time where Tonto Dike go through emotional torture, Tonto Dike start follow Bobrisky, go left and right. It was an act of depression. This girl was just feeling herself, like making her run mad. She was saying it on media. This man is dating my friend. Nobody believe her. But now, he don't come out say the man don't post and say he and the friend don't marry. So they post a newborn baby. He is a man, blah blah blah. Why he be say thing them for man? Una just leave her may die. Thing them for woman, una open una mop, una be condemn woman them. If Tonto Dike for the big through that depression, so he go kill himself. Or he go hang himself for some side, something go happen for you. Because say he ex-husband marrying a best friend. Do you know what it means to be replaced inside a relationship? Do you know what it means to have a replacement while you are still there? It hurts. I beg mommy, papa, I want a papa on a mommy menjo. Try not to do this kind of mistake. A lot of people, I see with the Lima Choppy, a post, a lot of people condemn their post. Their post so no make no sense. My people, I don't come up for that one for Dr. Menjo. Dr. Menjo, I beg. Didn't write up this so for me. I just look at like say you just take sides for me. Now my own conclusion that. And my own analysis, you detect sides. Because time where Tonto Dike Massa, that ex-husband, be married for you, you know, give right up, blah, 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 condemning the act. Now where Tonto Dike define happiness, the jolly, you want to condemn acts. Huh. Okay. Another person will get for house today, Nancy Veshela. And the Veshela matter on the hot for social media life for the past four months now. Yes. Oh man, and the Veshela go up, the Veshela calm down. Let me say, now right, let me say that the Veshela matter. Now a whole story on its own. But the matter for keeping it 3237, that's Princess Tyra. And that Wendy, the way the Veshela handle them, my people, I no lie you, I always talk my true, and my true I dey talk am. Me man no crack my head. The Veshela, the way he handle the keeping it real in matter, surprise me. On Sunday when me I dey watch this particular show. Begin this, begin no one, when begin shit on top food, we know the chow and so on and so forth. And you just support Tyra. I asked myself two things. I said, why the Veshela of all people? I want to talk some small talk for you, my people. Una no misquote me. Time where all these Lady B billionaire then they will be under the Veshela. Any small thing where Lady B do, Sheila, the insult Lady B. Any small thing where any of we will be under that platform that time where we support see blah 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 will do. It insult we or it like castigate we blah 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 and so on. No one see we will be bad people them and so on. But now when Tyra don't do this thing with Wendy, why it be say you no tell Tyra the truth? You no make him no say this thing may do and so na bad thing. You no make him no say it don't just spoil your face for social media. You inside talk say mommy need the chore piki na your own and so on. Like seriously, I just see the way will be people they be on 900 and something. As you just talk that talk so now 400 and something people. People were disappointed for the way we handle that case. The way we handle that case. He talk. He say no, me Tyra. So they want give money to Tyra. Me Tyra go. Say Tyra they inside depression. Hey, my people. Tyra impersonate person BA for impersonate person Oye. Tyra do some bad thing. When a Tyra supposed to ask for apology for social media, now go on a trip for go call the head for go out of depression. I say, mommy, why you be so all this thing the way you do announce so that time where we will be under you will be strong supportive people. You know do one for we. You know call we advice we say where this way you do, this way you do. You leave them. Make things they go to this point. Insult we. Talk about we. You know say human being as human being. If this kind of character where possess and so go Tyra, if you possess and for the other YouTuber, then now they cut you. People they like how they call the girl Dope Sierra and Lady B, when they insult you now so and so on. We come into compromise. All the insults, blah 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 and so on. It no forever be. But sisters, hey God. I'm so disappointed. Really, I beat this guy video, and I not go with that video. I not go with that video. I not go with that video because that video they so no. This guy na a betrayer, na always a betrayer. Guy that they get for understanding one. Una use una number 6. Sorry, I need to insult Tyra. I need to insult Tyra, but. Grand say you be careful, put things in straight, put point may be clear. Even if you want send Tyra on a trip, not be enough for social media. Not be enough say you go come for social media. You can't talk say you want send Tyra on a trip. Okay, now my analysis be this. Now my own analysis, it no mean say na your own way you dey think. My analysis no fit be your own. Diveshela do this thing for Tyra, supporting Tyra because he want prove a point. He try for prove a point for the others, the way they don't leave it, say no, he be a good mother. Then Diveshela want know if na last year 2020 they no boy you fine. They no ever boy you fine for do the kind of error. You want prove a point or make the others they make you know say no, if you stand by the people. 3, 2. After Tyra get something against you where you no want to make it bring them for the public, or una get something together, una never talk about them. My own analysis, that's 3. You don't see and say Tyra now a strong support system for Grinders ministry, for Diveshela's ministry. So you no one let go of that particular strong support system like it will be another turn to your flesh. Now my own analysis that take it or leave it. I don't she don't wonder. I think I say no. You know if you work as all. You know if you work. Anyway, my people. Now for they will come to a conclusion. Oh, Dr. Menjo, yeah, write up. It no make sense. Go do I don't know whether you rewrite something or talk about them. More better or so, and the Diveshela back, mommy. The thing over go far anyway. Now you know how you sort out your problem. When Fufu will tight for your hand tomorrow, now you know. So my own conclusion already be set and done. I still remain your humble girl. Diamond Nikki in the palace. Peace, my people.